left. He's fast. He was on my tire. Pulled out my phone. He's been living, at first he was living right here. And lately, he's been living right over in there. He has yet to find his way into the birdhouse. That is the bird. And he was just on my tire. So I pulled out my camera to film the little birdie on my tire, and he left. So he's in a tree over there. Well, this got rallycross this weekend. I didn't do too terribly bad. And then I did autocross today, and my last run was my best run with no penalties. So I was happy about that. Let's just chill out over here, see if that bird comes back. I haven't looked at my plants in a while. I've been gone all weekend. Some new, oh, we got the sprout right there. Another seed I put in the ground. There. Some nice sprouted up there. Oh, that one's dead. All right. So these plants I saved from downtown Orlando. From a friend of mine owns a property in downtown Orlando, and they're about to redo the sidewalk in front of one of his stores. So we pulled all this stuff out. It was just a little teeny manhole-sized planter, maybe a little bit bigger than a manhole. And this stuff was all stuffed in there, and it was in bad shape. Probably had bum piss all over it. But it's now got all this new growth. I think this one is going to grow, but until it's not green, I'll give it a chance. That one's all new growth. That one's all new growth. That one's new growth. That one. This one. This one's doing well. And then we took out these ones. So looks like this one's trying. It's holding itself up. This one. These are coming out nicely. Yeah, they look like, I would say 90% of them have taken root. Peppers, it's going to have a lot of peppers on it. Oh, this aloe was there too. It was a different kind of aloe than what I have. Yeah, I think that's it. Well, I guess that bird's just going to make a lot of noise and not come back over here. I was hoping he'd come back over. And then he had a bunch of these. So I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put them. But look, this one's doing really good, starting to grow up. Still on the ground and they'll grow. This avocado is on its last leg. Oh, there he is. Look, he's on my roof. See? Oh, just went up there. So maybe I came out right when he was heading home. So that's his little house. I'll try to sneak around. Now when he's all tucked up in there, you know, he doesn't mind us coming in and out because that's our front door. So, you know, got to come in and out, dog. But until he gets settled, he's a little bit edgy. We're gonna sneak up and see if we can get him. Sorry. I scared him. He wasn't sleeping yet. His little head was sticking out. Oh, he'll come back. He likes it over there. So he's been living at our house for, oh man, I think it's been maybe 2 months. So that's our little bird. Doesn't even need the birdhouse. And they got these seeds up here, so they're like camping out.